If you're really concerned about your side fat or love handles and want your oblique muscles to show clearly along with visible abs, then this video is extremely important for you. Today, I'm going to show you some simple rules and exercises which, if followed correctly, will gradually reduce your love handles and noticeably improve your body shape. So, let's not waste time and get straight to the point. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand one thing. When we think about losing body fat, we often focus only on eating less. But the biggest factor that increases fat is sugar. When we consume sugar or sweet foods, our body's insulin levels rise. As insulin rises, our appetite goes out of control and we start eating more. Eating more prevents the body from being in a calorie deficit. And without a calorie deficit, instead of losing fat, the body starts storing even more, causing side fat to gradually hang and become noticeable. If you truly want to reduce your love handles, you need to cut sugar out of your diet as much as possible. You'll notice that as you reduce sugar, your appetite naturally comes under control and you start eating less on your own. But to speed up results, we need to move on to the next step. Exercises. 1. Warm-up. Never skip your warm-up. Warming up prepares your body for exercise and reduces the risk of injury. Jumping jacks. Perform for 30 seconds. Take a 20-25 second break. Spot jogging. Jog in place with running-like movements for 30 seconds. Rope skipping. Skip rope for 30 seconds. This will properly warm up your body and get your muscles ready for exercise. 2 exercises for love handles and obliques. Russian twists. Sit on the floor holding a lightweight or water bottle. Rotate your body side to side in a controlled manner. Continue for 45 seconds. Plank. Hold your body straight in a plank position. Try to hold for 45 seconds. Keep your core and side muscles tight. Mountain climbers. Stay in a plank position and alternately lift your legs, like running or cycling movements. Do this for 45 seconds. Reverse crunch. Lie on the floor with your hands by your sides. Bend your knees and slightly lift your hips. Perform in a controlled manner for 30-40 seconds. Side plank. Keep your body straight in a side plank and maintain balance. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Gradually increase time as your body gets stronger. Sprinting. Sprint at full speed for 10 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Complete 5 rounds. The biggest benefit of sprinting is that even after your workout, your metabolism stays high, you burn more calories, and fat melts faster. Routine. 20 minutes every morning and evening. With consistency, your body fat will gradually decrease. Your body will start to look more aesthetic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so I can continue helping you with your fitness journey.